Okay, you are reading this, so it means we have your attention. Here's the deal. We breached your internal network and took control over all of your systems. We analyzed and located each piece of more or less important files while spending weeks inside. We exfiltrated anything we wanted. Frequently asked questions. Who the hell are you? Pretty skilled hackers, I guess. Why are you doing this? Our motivation is purely financial. We're going to report this to the police. You surely can, but be ready that they will confiscate most of your IT infrastructure, and even if you later change your mind and decide to pay, they will not let you. What if I tell you that I do not care and I'm going to ignore this incident? That's a very bad choice. If you will not contact us in a timely manner, we will start notifying your employees, clients, partners, subcontractors, and any other persons that should know how you treat your own corporate secrets and theirs. No one will buy what you took. I do not believe you. If the auction fails, we will just leak everything online, making sure that this leak goes straight to press. We will make sure that your business will bleed by using any power we have in our possession, both social and technical. What happens if I pay? Nothing bad will happen. We will remove everything we took from your network and leave you be. We will provide the confirmation that the data is deleted. We will help you to close technical vulnerabilities you have and provide some insight on how to avoid such incidents if some other perpetrator is interested in you. We will never tell anybody about it.